Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. So, in these last few months, I have been accumulating a lot of stuff. And one of the things that I have acquired recently is a new A5 planner. So, I've been really interested in people setting them up and how they use them, and I've been watching a lot of videos. And then back in I think November, it was in November, I had bought one from the brand Notique. I will show you guys my setup of that one a little later, but originally I had ordered the personal size, and I had posted it on my Instagram. And if you guys aren't following me, just.joya2, it will be down in the description box. I posted it on Instagram, and the brand actually reached out to me. And it's funny because I don't recall saying anything negative in the sense about the personal size, but I guess maybe my spirit or something was speaking to them, because they asked me if I wanted to change the size, and I was like, I think I do. So we went ahead and did the swap. So I got the A5. I recently opened it actually on my Instagram, and I love the size. It's exactly what I need. I felt like the personal size, even though my hands are small, in my opinion, it just felt too small for me. So I'm excited about the A5, and getting into the mix and actually personalizing it more. I'm so excited. So one of the first things that I started to do was, I was like, well, you know what? The one that I had with the inserts does not have a monthly insert. And I was thinking that may be one thing that I will add to what's already included with the purchase that I have. So these inserts are actually from Goldmine Coco. And I recently opened them. So I bought the whole stack down. But I'll show you briefly. This is what the front looks like. I got this a little backwards. So they're all out of order apparently, but if I was to hold up the month, this is what it will look like. So let me go ahead and figure out where the heck January is, and we can get started. So after the first page, it'll be like this. This is how it will open up. So you have most of your important things to think about, your bills, your events, and any dates, due dates that you need to be aware of. And then this is how the monthly spread is. And if you notice, she does have it where it's a Monday to Sunday. I've never did a Monday through Sunday thing, so this will be fairly new and interesting to see how I feel about it. You see you have some dot grid at the bottom, and of course some notes on the side. So we'll see how this planning thing goes, because this is very new for me. I don't think I will actually do a monthly spread each month, but January is my birthday month, so I just wanted to be a little extra this month. So this month I actually bought a kit from Sadie Stickers. Now, it's funny because I don't know why I was thinking I had an A6 size, not an A5 size when I originally ordered this. But I think when I originally ordered this, I still had the personal size. Nonetheless, I'm going to make it work. So this is the kit from Sadie Stickers. It's so pretty. And I recently acquired some Simply Gilded washi. So I just bought this in case. It has gold and rose gold. And then this is some washi tape from Erin Condren. So I'm going to go ahead. I'll zoom you guys in, and we will get started. So because of sizing, I am going to be limited on what I can and cannot put down. So here on the side here, I'm going to put I'm going to use one of these under notes here. And the good thing about this kit I have is that I bought the same one for my Erin Condren. So whatever I don't use, I will be using in there. I think I'm going to put down a flag for my birthday. And then I will also, maybe I could put down, no, because I won't have enough flags. I have a lot of birthdays this month, so we're not going to do all the extra, Joya. You gotta remember, you're not doing extra. So let's see, we can put this month and the biggest things here. You put that right on top. This is cute. Like this month's notes, right? And then let's use one of these here. And we're gonna do one to be goals. Little layering action here. And then do another we'll do here, and that will be finances. And on here we have some little circles. So let's go ahead and put those down. And because I have a budget planner, I'm not gonna do too many under budget or finances rather, but two of my most important. And then we'll do four, I think I should have enough room for 4 under goals. Maybe even 5. We'll see. I think that's cute. Maybe just to bring a little pizzazz up here, I'll use some of these across the top. Kind of add a little of the pizzazz up here. That's hella crooked. So I mean, looks like a lot of my stuff up here is crooked, but it's so hard to plan from this angle. So let's utilize the ruler. cut off the excess. That was definitely not a straight cut, but so we're like right at the circle here. All right. I think that's cute. So I can go ahead and just write in some of my goals and be back. All right, guys. Hopefully you weren't crooked the entire time. OMG, I am so sorry. So this is what it looks like. I do like the simplicity of it. It looks very cute. Very like minimum, but a little extraness just for, you know, my birthday month. I probably won't be doing a lot of this in any other months. The only thing I may do, like if I have stretches off, like I could put, you know, that I have off for a few days. Actually, you know what? Do I want to do that? Nah, we'll do that in the other planner. Yes, but I do like the way this came out. I think this is really cute. I made the kit work for the A5, even though it was an A6 kit. But I do like it. I like the simplicity of the minimum amount of stickers in here. And I think that's really what I'm going to utilize my A5 for. Like, I'm going to have the decorative stuff. But my writing, the things that I'm going to write on, I'm not going to be doing a lot of, like, decorating with it. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more plans with my A5, please let me know down in the comments below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.